Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing tool called Xsora AI. This is a complete AI video creation platform that makes it super easy to create professional videos in just minutes. With Xsora AI, you can create viral shorts, animated videos, story-based content, and even product ads, all powered by artificial intelligence. Let me walk you through everything this tool can do. Alright, let me start by showing you something that really blew my mind when I first discovered it. Have you ever seen those YouTube channels that post cute 3D animal videos? Well, here is the crazy part. Some of these channels are getting serious views, and I found videos that have gotten over 100 million views. That's absolutely insane when you think about it. Now, what's even more interesting is that these videos are usually very short, under 1 minute long, which makes them perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And guess what? These entire channels are 100% created using AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the same type of content. So, let's start with the first feature called Instant Video. When you open Xsora AI, you will see this option right on the dashboard. Click on it, and the first thing it's going to ask you to do is enter a project name. This is just for your own organization, so you can name it anything you want. Maybe something like cute dog video or animal short number one, whatever makes sense to you. Then click next to move forward. Now, you need to choose what type of video you want to create. Xsora AI gives you several options here, but since we're making those cute 3D animal videos, we're going to select cartoon and animation. This tells the AI that we want an animated style video rather than a realistic one. Click next to continue. The next step is choosing your video style. You will see options like 2D animation, 3D animation, and other styles. For this example, we want that polished modern look. So we're going to select 3D animation. This is what gives you those high quality, professional looking animated characters. Click next again. Now, we need to select the format of our video. This is really important because different platforms require different aspect ratios. Since we are creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, we want to choose vertical format. If you were making regular YouTube videos, you would choose horizontal instead. For now, click vertical and then click next. Here is where things get really interesting. You now need to set up your video duration. With the pro version of Xsora AI, you can create videos up to 5 minutes long, which is amazing. But here is a pro tip. For YouTube Shorts and similar platforms, shorter is often better. These platforms love quick, engaging content. So for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it really simple and create just a 10-second video. You can always make longer ones later once you get the hang of it. Now comes the fun part. You need to enter your video idea. Just typing what you want your video to be about. For example, you could write something like a cute puppy playing with a soccer ball in a sunny park, or a funny kitten chasing butterflies in a garden. The more descriptive you are, the better results you will get. Once you have typed in your idea, click generate scenes. What happens next is really cool. In just a few seconds, the AI analyzes your idea and creates professional scene descriptions for you. These aren't just basic descriptions either. They are optimized prompts that tell the AI exactly what to create in each scene. You will see things like camera angles, character accents, backgrounds, and all the little details that make a great video. The best part is that you are not stuck with what the AI gives you. You can click on any scene and edit it to be more specific. Maybe you want to change the color of the puppy's fur, or add more details about the background, or change what the character is doing. The more specific and detailed you are, the better your final video will look. You can also add more scenes by clicking the add scene button, or remove scenes you don't want by clicking remove. This gives you complete creative control. Once you are happy with all your scenes, click generate video for the first scene. The AI will start creating that scene for you. Then do the same for the second scene, the third scene, and so on until all your scenes are generated. This might take a minute or two depending on how many scenes you have, but trust me, It's way faster than trying to animate this stuff yourself. When all scenes are done, click next to move to the voiceover section. Now, here is another feature that I absolutely love. You need to add a voiceover to your video, right? But with Xsora AI, you don't have to write the script yourself. Just click AI generate and boom, the AI writes a complete script for your video based on the scenes you created. It's instant, and honestly, the scripts are pretty good. Of course, if you want to change anything or add your own personal touch, you can edit the script however you want. But wait, there is more. Let's say you want to create content in different languages to reach a global audience. Xsora AI has you covered. You can select from multiple languages and the AI will automatically translate your script. This is perfect if you want to run multiple channels in different languages or reach viewers from different countries. Next, you choose the voice for your voiceover. Xsora AI has a huge library of different voices to choose from. You have got male voices, female voices, young voices, older voices, different accents, different tones. Just scroll through and pick the one that fits your video best. You can even preview them before making your final choice. After selecting your voice, scroll down to the background music section. Every good video needs some background music to set the mood, right? Xsora AI lets you choose from different music options and you can adjust the volume so it's not too loud or too quiet. You want your music to complement the voiceover, not overpower it. So play around with the volume slider until it sounds just right. There is also an auto capsule feature which is super important these days. Studies show that most people watch videos on social media with the sound off, so having captions can dramatically increase your engagement. This smart feature automatically syncs the text with your narration so the captions appear at exactly the right time. For this demo, I am going to leave it off just to keep things simple, but I definitely recommend using it for your actual videos. Once everything is set up the way you want it, click generate. Then hit generate button one more time to confirm. Now, just wait a moment while Xsora AI puts everything together. The AI is combining your scenes, adding the voiceover, mixing in the background music, and creating the final video file. When it's finished, you will see the final result right on your screen and it's ready for you to download. Just like that, you have created a professional 3D animated video without any animation skills whatsoever. Alright. So now let me show you another incredibly powerful feature that Xsora AI offers. And this one is perfect for a different type of content creation. It's called storyboard video feature and it's designed for creating narrative style videos. These are videos that tell a story or explain concepts in a structured way. Let me give you a real example of where this is being used successfully. There are channels on YouTube creating book summary videos. These channels will take popular books and create short, engaging video summaries of them. I found one channel doing this that has over 37,000 subscribers and they have only posted 13 videos. Some of their videos are getting thousands of views. Think about that for a second. Only 13 videos and they have built an audience of 37,000 people. That's the power of creating valuable content consistently. The great news is that you can start creating this exact type of content using Xsora AI. So it's not just for book summaries either. You could use these for educational content, motivational stories, how-to guides, historical events, basically anything that follows a narrative style. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, click on the storyboard video option in the menu. This will open a new project for you. Just like before, you will need to name your project, maybe call it book summary video 1 or whatever topic you are covering. Once you have named it, click next to continue. Now, you need to select your video style. For this demonstration, I am going to use 2D cartoon style. This gives you a clean, illustrated look that works really well for educational and story-based content. It's not as complex as 3D animation, but it still looks very professional and engaging. Different styles work for different types of content. So choose whatever fits your vision best. Click next when you are ready. The next step is choosing your format again. Just like before, you can choose vertical for short form content on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok or horizontal for regular YouTube videos. For this example, I will stick with the format that works for my content goals. Click next to move forward. Now set your video duration. For this demo, I'm going to set it to 30 seconds just to keep things quick and show you how it works. But remember, with the Pro version, you can create much larger videos if you need to. For a complete book summary or detailed educational content, you might want to use the full 5 minute available, but 30 seconds is perfect for learning the system. Here is where the magic happens. Simply click generate scenes and wait a few moments. The AI is now analyzing your topic and creating a complete storyboard for you. It's deciding what should happen in each scene, what the visual should look like, and how to structure the story in the most engaging way possible. In just a few seconds, your scenes are ready. Now you will see all your scenes laid out. For each scene, you need to click generate image. This tells the AI to create the actual visual for that scene. You will also get to select a motion effect. Motion effects are subtle animations that make your images feel more dynamic and engaging. Maybe it's a slow zoom, a pan across the image, or a slight movement. These little touches make a huge difference in keeping your viewers engaged. Here is a cool feature. If you generate an image and you don't like how it looks, you are not stuck with it. Just click generate image again and the AI will create a completely different version. You can keep doing this until you get an image that you really love. Do this process for all your scenes until you are happy with everything. Once all images are generated and you have selected the motion effects you want, click next. This brings you to the voiceover configuration section, which works very similarly to what we did with the instant video feature. Click AI generate to create your script automatically. The AI will write a complete narration script based on all the things you have created. It understands the flow of your story and creates a script that ties everything together naturally. Again, you can edit the script if you want to add your own personality or change any wording. Here is another powerful feature. You can choose English or select from other languages, and the AI will instantly translate your entire script. This is incredibly useful if you want to create the same video in multiple languages to reach different audiences around the world. Imagine creating one video and then having versions in Spanish, French, German, and more, all with just a few clicks. Select your preferred voice from the library. Xsora AI has tons of options, so take your time and click preview to listen to different voices. Next, choose your background music. Now, let's talk about captions again. For this demo, I'm going to turn off the background music and enable auto captions instead, just so you can see how the captions works. When you enable auto captions, you get to choose the caption color, the size of the text, and the font style. This is great because you can match the captions to your brand or just make them look however you prefer. The feature automatically syncs the text perfectly with the audio, so the words appear exactly when they are being spoken. If everything looks good and you are happy with all your settings, click next. Then click generate video. Now, just wait a moment while the AI builds your professional video. It's combining all your images with the motion effects, adding the voiceover with perfect timing, and including the captions exactly as you configured them. When it's finished processing, you will see your complete video ready to watch. The quality is honestly impressive, especially considering you didn't have to do any manual editing. Everything is synced, everything flows together, and you have a professional narrative video ready to upload. Click download and it's yours. Now, let me show you what I think is most mind-blowing feature of Xsora AI. This is the promotional video feature. And honestly, when I first saw what this could do, I was absolutely stunned. This feature is a complete game changer for anyone doing affiliate marketing, running a digital agency, promoting products, or creating ads for business. Let me show you how it works. Click on promotional video in the menu. The first thing you will see is the option to create a custom AI character. This is going to be the virtual model that appears in your promotional video. And the level of customization here is really impressive. You can configure your model's characteristics in detail. First, select the gender. Do you want a male or female model for your promotion? Then choose the authenticity. Xsora AI offers many different options here, which is great because you can create diverse content or match your model to your target audience. Next, select the age range. Maybe you want a young person in their 20s or perhaps a middle-aged professional or even an older person, depending on what product you are promoting. Finally, choose the clothing style. You can have them in casual wear, athletic wear, or other options depending on what fits your brand and product. Here is what I really love about this feature. You can save all these settings as a preset. This is huge for brand consistency. Let's say you are running a YouTube channel or promoting multiple products for the same brand. You want the same model appearing in all your videos so your audience recognizes and trusts them. Give it a name and click Save Preset. Now, whenever you create a new promotional video, you can go to the My Saved Settings tab and select that exact preset. This means you will have the exact same AI model in every video you create. Your audience will see the same face promoting different products, which builds familiarity and trust. This is exactly what real brands do with their real spoken persons, but you are doing it entirely with AI. Once you have created and saved your model settings, click Next Step. Now you need to upload the product you want to promote. This could be a photo of a physical product like a water bottle, a skincare product, a phone case, a pair of shoes, really anything. Just upload a clear image of the product. Next, you provide instructions on how you want the AI model to interact with the product. This is important because different products require different presentations. For example, if you are promoting a handheld item like a water bottle or a gadget, you might want product sitting on a table with the model gesturing toward it or standing next to it. If it's something wearable like shoes, a hat, or clothing, you would select model wearing the product. The AI understands these instructions and creates the video accordingly. Click Next Step and now you select the background setting for your video. Do you want the video to look like it was filmed indoors, maybe in a modern home or office, or do you want an outdoor setting like a park or urban street? This helps set the context for your product. Choose whatever makes sense for what you are promoting. Click Next Step again. Now you are in the script section and this is where you describe what you want to happen in the video. In the first box, you describe the model's action. For example, you might write, model picks up the product, examines it with a smile and shows it to the camera. Be as specific as you want here. In the audio narration section, you type exactly what you want the AI model to say. This is the actual sales pitch. You might write something like, "Hi, I want to show you this amazing new water bottle. It keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and has a sleek, modern design. It's perfect for the gym, office, or anywhere you go." The AI model will actually speak these words in the video with realistic lip syncing. Click Next Step. Now select the aspect ratio for your video. Just like the other features, you can choose vertical for social media shorts or horizontal for regular video ads. For this example, I will choose vertical since most people consume content on mobile devices these days. Finally, click generate video and then wait a few moments. The AI is now doing absolutely insane. It's creating a completely synthetic video with a realistic looking person interacting with your product and speaking your script. The processing takes a little time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. When it's done, you will see the result, and I guarantee you will be impressed. The video looks completely natural and professional. The AI model looks like a real person. They're interacting naturally with the product, and their lips are synced perfectly with the voiceover. Most people watching this wouldn't even know it was AI generated unless you told them. This is the power of modern AI technology. You didn't hire an influencer, you didn't pay for an expensive model, you didn't rent a studio. It's just Xsora AI doing all the work for you. When you are happy with the result, simply click download to save the video file. You can now upload this video to your YouTube channel, use it in your social media ads, send it to clients, or use it for affiliate product promotions. The possibilities are endless. But wait, we are not done yet. Xsora AI has one more fantastic feature that makes it even more powerful, and that's the built-in scheduling system. This feature lets you schedule and post your videos directly to your social media platforms right from the Xsora AI dashboard. This is incredibly convenient because you don't have to download videos and then manually upload them to each platform separately. Let me show you how this works. From your main dashboard, click on Schedule menu. Before you can start scheduling posts, you need to configure your API settings. Now, don't worry if that sounds technical. Xsora AI provides a simple tutorial that walks you through exactly how to set this up. It's actually pretty quick and straightforward. You just need to follow the steps once and then you are good to go. Once your API key is connected and configured, you are ready to start scheduling. Click connect account and you will see a list of platforms you can connect to. For this example, let's say we want to connect to YouTube. Select YouTube from the list and it will ask you to authorize Xsora AI to access your YouTube channel. Just follow the authentication process, which is the standard Google login and permission grant that you have probably done with other apps before. After you have connected your channel, return to the Xsora AI dashboard. You can close the connection window and now you are ready to actually schedule a post. Click next post and you will see all the video projects you have created with Xsora AI. Select the project you want to upload. Maybe it's that cute 3D animal video you made earlier, or the book summary video, or the promotional video. Whatever you want to post, just click on it. Then click on your connected platform. In this case, it's YouTube. But if you had connected other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you could select those instead. A settings window will appear where you can fill in all the important details for your post. You will enter the video title, which is super important for YouTube SEO. Then write your description. This is where you can add links, hashtags, timestamps, and all the information that helps your video get discovered. You might also have options for tags, thumbnails, and other platform specific settings depending on which social media you are posting to. The really cool part is the scheduling feature. You can choose to post the video immediately or you can select a specific date and time in the future. This is amazing for content planning. Let's say you create 5 videos in one sitting. You can schedule them to post over the next week, one per day, at the optimal time when your audience is most active. This way, you maintain a consistent posting schedule without having to manually upload videos every day. Once you have filled in all the details and selected your schedule, date and time, click schedule post. Done. The system confirms that your video is scheduled. Now, if you go to your dashboard, you can click on the calendar view and you will see all your scheduled videos laid out on a calendar. This gives you a clear visual overview of your content schedule. You can see what's posting when and you can plan your content strategy accordingly. See how easy that is? You create the video in Xsora AI and then post it directly to your social media without even leaving the platform. This kind of workflow integration saves so much time and makes content creation so much more efficient. Alright, so there you have it. That was a complete walkthrough of Xsora AI and all its amazing features. If you're interested in checking out Xsora AI for yourself, I have included the link in the description below this video. You can click those links to learn more about the pricing, see more examples, and get started with the tool if you want to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this complete review and tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about Xsora AI or want me to clarify anything I showed in this video, just drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. I love hearing from you guys and helping you succeed. Alright, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Take care.